Good evening. I'm Siobhan Linden, co-founder of AMSL Aero, and we're building Vertiia, the future of daily transport. We're on the cusp of a transport revolution, with electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft about to change the way we all live. It's driven by a desire to bypass that traffic congestion in our cities and a need to decarbonise transport. Now, the reason these aircraft are being built now is due to recent developments in flight control systems, electric powertrain and battery technology, and progressive new regulations which allow for it to be built. The majority of the aircraft are being built for the dense urban markets. Think Tokyo and Beijing. An example of this is the Volocopter. The Volocopter, built in Germany, trialled in Dubai, and is a multi-rotor. You can see it's like a hybrid drone. Now, like all multi-rotors though, it's slow and short range. So travels a maximum of 30 kilometres before it needs a recharge. Vertiia is fast and it's long-ranged. It travels at 300 kilometres an hour and up to 250 kilometres in distance. And that's just using existing batteries. With the new batteries, it'll travel even greater distances. Its unique advantage is its aerostructural and efficiency. And as you can see, this is a 6-passenger aircraft. This is one of the scaled prototypes of Vertiia, flying in a wind tunnel. We've made many other prototypes as part of the development process. The full-size Vertiia is currently being built, and it'll be flying in 12 months. We have a highly experienced team working on Vertiia. My co-founder, Andrew Moore, is an experienced aeronautical engineer with over 20 years' experience in designing, building and maintaining fleets of helicopters and aircraft. He invented Vertiia, and he designed and built this 5-seat helicopter. Many of the same core team who worked on this helicopter are now working with us at Vertiia. And we've brought in new expert engineering skills to complement that team. And we'll bring on new skills as we scale up for production. This incredible team and the leading technology that we have has been recognised by the Australian Army. We have a contract to deliver an autonomous 2-seat aircraft to the Australian Army that will carry supplies into and wounded casualty out of combat zones. Now, this 2-seat technology that we've developed is readily scalable to 6 seats. And 6 seats is a sweet spot for civil passenger transport. And that's due to regulations, the noise signature, and unit economics. Now, we know that this intracity market is going to be really highly contested. Think of all the autonomous vehicles that are being created right now. They'll be on the ground. We'll have autonomous vehicles in the air, like Vertiia. So we know that that's going to be very competitive. We intend to start with solving a uniquely Australian problem first, and that is connecting regional Australia. With Qantas, we would provide a hub and spoke model. And that would be Qantas jets flying from capital cities to regional hubs, and Vertiia flying those spokes. And between Qantas flights, we would join those spokes on demand with Vertiia. And for towns like Bathurst and Benalla and Goulburn, we'd provide direct flights to capital cities. Now, there's multiple benefits for Qantas here. It's a competitive regional advantage, strong government support for regional Australia, being able to upsize those regional aircraft to maximise capital slots like in Sydney. And most importantly, it would be able to provide a new training pathway for commercial pilots. The vision is for Qantas to provide a seamless door-to-door travel experience for its customers. And we see that as inevitably including electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. We're proud to report, as a part of this Qantas AVRO Scale-Up program, we've agreed with Qantas to continue to explore a partnership for the provision of transport, with an initial focus on regional Australia. In closing, electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft are about to change the way we all live for the better. We have a leading, efficient design and a talented and committed team. And I look forward to you flying in a Vertiia soon. Thank you.